All right, everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the birthday challenge from Hack the Web. So the challenge description says, your task is to find the name of a person who has a birthday on June 23rd. The name you're looking for is hidden in the server's source code. Fortunately, the complete source code of Hack the Web is publicly available. In this folder, you'll find a relevant file named birthday.ejs. Good luck with your search. Okay, so what we're dealing with here is we're dealing with a little bit of source code analysis. We're also dealing with Github, which is a very popular repository. Let's talk about that. Okay, so this is Hack the Web Birthday Challenge. In this challenge, we're told to look at the server's source code, and in a specific file, locate the name of a person whose birthday is June 23rd. Okay, so we're doing some source code analysis. The link in this challenge brings us to the Hack the Web GitHub repository, and we're instructed to look at the birthday.ejs file. So EJS. What is EJS? When I did a little bit of research, I found that EJS is actually an implementation of JavaScript that also lets you render HTML tags. But anyways, what we need to do is we need to go over to the link over here, and then we need to look inside of the birthday.ejs file over here. So birthday.ejs. So here, this is an exact copy of the page we're looking at over at Hack the Web. Only there's some extra stuff. So at the bottom of the page, we see a little comment over here, and it says the name of the person is Turing. So Turing is a very important person as far as computer technology is concerned. So if we go over to like Wikipedia and we look up this person, Alan Turing. So this person was an English computer scientist. Okay, so they were an English mathematician, computer scientist, logician, cryptanalysis, philosopher, and theoretical biologist. And this person's very influential in the field of computer science. So we see that their birthday is June 7th. No, their birthday is not June 7th. Their birthday is the 23rd of June. The 23rd of June, which we can see over here. Okay, so remember that on the page, over, where is it? Here, it says the name of the person is Turing with a capital T. So if we go over to the birthday challenge, we can solve this by plugging in the name Turing, clicking on Go, and that is the correct answer. All right, everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the birthday challenge from Hack the Web. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.